Three Worcester Bosch boilers, three different methods of accessing their service mode for maximum and minimum rate. First one is the 30i ERP. Press and hold the chimney sweep and reset button for 5 seconds, which will take you into maximum rate. You'll hear the boiler ramp up. To switch between the two, use the hot water side and press up and down, which will switch between maximum and minimum rates. If you then want to exit it, you can just press the reset button again. Job done. Quite straightforward on these ERP ones. Next, you've got the CDI Classic. Press and hold the chimney sweep button again, 5 seconds. The button will flash orange, then you know you're in service mode, and you can use the dial to switch between maximum and minimum rate on the heating side. You flick it right up to max, that puts you into your maximum. You'll hear the boiler ramp up eventually. And then you can switch it back to minimum using the same dial. After 10 minutes it will switch back to its normal rate, but if you want to exit service mode, press the orange button. You're done. Finally, you've got the RI. Here you need to remove the 3 screws that hold the electrical cover on. Once removed, you'll see there's a little stick that's sat inside the cover, and this just slots in on the board, allowing you to switch between maximum and minimum rates. One click will turn it to maximum rate with a fast flash. If you then click round further once more, the boiler LED will slow flash, which will indicate that you're into minimum rate. After 10 minutes, it will revert back to its normal mode. Always put it back into its normal rate and remove the stick and put it back in the cover. And that is those 3 Worcester Bosch boilers service modes covered.